growth, and what sectors look like they're going to outperform?
So, of course, growth is not fantastic this quarter, year over year, for the S&P 500. It's at 2.7%. That's down quite a bit from just 6 months ago. But the bright spot in the economy is the financials. Citygroup reported today they came out great. And they expect a 19.5% earnings growth rate in the financials. And that's a strong comparison from last year. So they're doing fantastic.
How about the other side of the coin? Who's going to miss?
Materials look very weak this year, and they continue to look weak. They've been spending a lot of money on new mines, and commodity prices have been falling, so that's a bad position for them to be in. So they're seeing earnings fall precipitously to less than negative 7% growth for metals and mining. Yeah.
You have a couple stocks in particular that you're focusing on as standouts on the surprise side. Let's look at the first one.
Sure.
Ford Motor. What's going on with that company?
So they came out with car sales for June at 15.7 million annualized. That's the best rate in 5 years. So that's a great sign for the automakers. And Ford actually has a smart estimate that's above the consensus. They have a bold estimate. Here's an analyst who's a 5-star analyst. He's been accurate in the past. He has an estimate that's far above the consensus. So when we see that, we want to pay more attention to his estimates. He's been accurate, and he might know a little bit more. And because of that positive predicted surprise, we expect Ford to actually to do better than the consensus. And to add to that, of all cars selling over 50,000 in the United States, Ford actually did the best. They had the best increase year over year. So that's a great sign for Ford going forward.